In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate images with ChatGPT. Ever wondered how you can turn your imaginative descriptions into stunning AI-generated images? Well, today, you'll learn just that through a simple process that you can follow right at home. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to dive into the fascinating world of AI art. So, let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. You'll want to start by going to Google, where everything begins. Simply type in ChatGPT in the search bar and hit enter. This will bring up a list of search results. Among these results, look for the official ChatGPT website. It should appear near the top. Once you find it, click on the ChatGPT link to head to their site. This will take you to the main page, where you have access to the tools you'll need to transform your ideas into images. Welcome to the world of ChatGPT. Now, you'll need to make a prompt for the art you want to create. Think of this prompt as your creative idea translated into words. It can be anything you imagine: a serene landscape, a futuristic city, or even an abstract concept. When crafting your prompt, be as detailed as possible to get the most accurate representation of your vision. Add nuances, colors, or specific elements you'd like to see in your image. Once your prompt is ready, it's time to move forward. You'll see a button that says Submit. Go ahead and click on it. This is where the magic begins. Submitting your prompt sets the process in motion as ChatGPT begins to interpret your words and transform them into a visual masterpiece. This step is about turning your creative ideas from text into digital art through the power of AI. It might take a moment, so be patient. A magnificent creation is underway. And there you have it. Your image is done. ChatGPT will present you with a piece of art that reflects the prompt you submitted. It's quite thrilling to see how AI can bring imagination to life. From here, you can explore various options, perhaps adjusting your prompt for a different result, or even downloading and sharing your newly created artwork with friends or on social media platforms to showcase your foray into AI-generated art. So that's how easily and quickly you can generate images using ChatGPT. With just a few clicks and a bit of imagination, you've tapped into a world where creativity meets technology. Thank you for joining today's tutorial. We hope you enjoy experimenting with AI art and creating unique pieces time and again. Until next time, keep imagining and creating.